Okay, let's do this. Onyx on the brows. Okay. So this person that I am trying to be, I feel like this is like the game Guess Who. Has very bold black brows. So here we go. Okay. So when you're doing your brows, you're going to go underneath. This is an angled brush. Okay. Oh yeah. I'm sorry, this is like, it's killing me. I'm sure Carrie's killing herself too because she knows the outcome of this. I kind of feel like maybe like a Kardashian before they had all the work done. Oh, that's mean. Okay. So I shall now do the other eyebrow. I feel like these brows are quite aggressive. That went a little bit crazy, but you know what? I'm gonna go with it. We're going with it, guys. Okay. So then you wanna oh my god. I love it. You wanna kinda like bring this in. Okay. Oh my gosh. I need to even these out a little bit. I think I need like bigger hair or something. I don't know. I need to like do something with my hair. That does not look better. Okay, we'll just leave it. Okay. I can't even deal. I can't even look at myself. Okay. Okay, so anytime thanks, Sarah. Sarah knows what I'm doing because I told her today. So I'm going to, anytime I do shadows, like this is like very serious, I always put Candlelight underneath. It cancels out any purple and just gives you a really good base. So I use the wand like directly on my eye. You can also use this to like highlight below. So like I could go like this. And for that. That makes me look like I've had sleep, which is a great thing. Someday I'll know what that's like. And I'm just gonna blend out this Candlelight base. Okay. So this is where we're like, if you guys don't know right now who I am, which celebrity this is, you will know really quick. What am I up to tonight, Claire? I'm doing a holiday glam. I am trying to imitate a celebrity. If no one's guessed it yet, there's a couple people that know because I was talking to them earlier about it and told them what I was going to be doing. But the majority of people don't know my plan here. I do need to make I need to do some mixing because the colors that I'm going to use are denim, light sapphire, and snow. But I kind of think my light sapphire is a little bit too light, so I'm going to mix it with denim. So this is light sapphire. It is a really bright blue color. But I want to use the denim and just kind of brighten it up a little bit. Okay, so this color is going to be all of my eye. Madonna, Sharon Osbourne, No, I get the Madonna though. Like when she had like her 80s really dark eyebrows, I do get that, and the bow. Unfortunately, my hair is just my hair and has nothing to do with my character, unfortunately. That would have been awesome though if I like had something that made it look like this character. Okay, I might need to put some white in this. So this is, so far I'm using, I'll show you guys what it looks like before I put it on. So I've got like this blue color. So I'm gonna do, this is gonna be like my transition shade. So a transition shade is the one that you put like pretty much all over your eyelid, except maybe like where you would want to put some highlighter. Unfortunately, this character doesn't use highlighter. So it's just like the entire eye. So here I am with my blue, and I am gonna just like get that in there. Gwen Stefani. No, thank you. Because she's gorgeous. So I'm just gonna really blend that up there. Mimi Bobak, you are right. That took a while. I knew that if I did the eyes though right away, that you guys would know. That's why I did them last. And oh my god, is this lips awful? Like, it looks so bad, you guys. Like, I like can't even deal. Like, oh my gosh, yes, from Drew Carey. It is so bad. Like, the lips are horrible, but it's exactly what she did. It's exactly. And it's just like, it's really bad. Oh my gosh, okay. Ooh, hey, that might be what I'm looking for the blue here. Walt Disney. Okay, Mimi from Drew Carey. Yes, that's exactly it. And actually, what's funny, when I was in grade 6, I went as Mimi for Halloween. And my friend was Drew Carey. And it was awesome. The eyes gave it away. Yeah, that's why I did them last. Because otherwise you guys would know the whole time. And I was like really wanting to just try to be serious the whole time. But like, this is out of control, you guys. If anyone does this for their holiday party and sends me a picture, I will give you something. Like, if you go out on the town looking like this, like, oh my gosh, like, that would be freaking funny. So, if you do it, take a picture. Let me know. Thanks, Central. Yeah. Hey, Jennifer. Anyone tuning in is like, what the F is this? This is not, I'm not gonna follow her for tips anymore. This is horrible. Hey. Now, something that Mimi did do a lot was this really thick black eyeliner with a wing that goes right out to the, where'd my brush go? Right out. I need to just extend this. Because I don't have enough blue, so I need to extend it. Oh, I do need to have some of this white, though. So she also has... I do have Sapphire Shadow Sense. There you go, Crystal. You are ready to be Mimi. Oh, boy. Okay. Hey, Tracy. Please don't do this for your Halloween. Or, yeah, pretty much Halloween. You can do it for Halloween. Don't do this for your Christmas. Pretty awesome. Thank you, Danielle. Oh, you're welcome, Claire. I hope that you enjoy this wonderful look. Like, seriously, don't do this look, because you will scare people. Like, people will be like, oh, unless that's what you're going for, and you want to be able to go out and not have guys hit on you. If you don't want guys to hit on you, you don't know, have you ever watched Drew Carey, Chloe? If you haven't, you need to go and, like, YouTube it and look at who Mimi is. It's time. You need to go do that. But you can wait till the video's over. Yeah, so, like, if you really, yeah, if you want to go to the bar and like you don't want guys to talk to you, this is probably a really good look for that. Because I'm pretty confident no one's gonna talk to you unless you know them already and they're like, what's wrong with your face? And then you can be like, oh, this is like new trend. The new trend is to do this. What if it was? Oh my gosh. I would probably be like, okay, I'm out. I'm not doing this anymore. Can't do it. Okay,